It just happened so fast. Like it happened so quick.
We didn't get to tell the kids goodbye and haven't seen them since.
We talk about lack of resources, but this exposed it on a magnified level.
My name is Ashley, and I'm a first grade teacher in Baltimore City.
I am the very proud principal of Beachfield Elementary Middle School here in Baltimore, Maryland.
I'm Nakoma, the principal at Gwynns Falls Elementary School.
Some kids don't have crayons in their house already, or they may not have a pencil.
When you have 5 children and you only have 1 device in the house, who do you decide as a parent is going to learn that day?
It might be their mom's cell phone that they're sharing that she takes with her to work.
And since this all happened, I honestly have not taken a break from working. And I don't want to cheat my kids out on me.
I went into flip out mode because I was like, I don't have 600 devices and I am all about access and these kids need to have access.
We brainstormed ideas if you could give kids anything.
They need tactile things to touch and feel. And
we wanted it to be something that lessened the stress in the house.
I made a request for the donation of some tablets.
And I'm in 7-Eleven, screaming at the top of my lungs, these kids are gonna get stuff!
Ah! Squishy!
I am amazed.
600 tablets.
So I'm not a big crier, but it gave a lot of people hope. It gave teachers hope. I think it made them feel like their teaching wasn't going in vain. And I'm just so excited to be able to just be here, this is yours. And I know they're going to be this is mine. Yes, this is yours. And I know the sense of pride. I feel it's going to be yeah, I can do this.
The long-term impact that this has is, again, relieving because we know that our children have access.
What you doing, G? Doing your schoolwork?
Yes. When I found out that Walden was sponsoring the project, I was in tears.
I can't say thank you enough. And the smiles on my students' faces and the appreciation from my families, I don't think we can say it enough.
This isn't a city, this isn't a state, this isn't even a country, this is the world. So we have to do something.
I've been telling our families, it's gonna be okay. We're gonna stay connected. We're gonna get through this as a family.
This has been a very good highlight in all this.
That's good stuff. Awesome.
Wow.
That's amazing.
Wow.
That was really awesome.